Today I wanted to make a light, delicious and healthy dessert. First, mix the gelatin with water and let it bloom while we prepare the fruits. You can find the full recipe in the description. Meanwhile, take some fresh or frozen fruit. I'm using a mix of different fruits. Place the fruit into a saucepan and add a little water, since the fruit will release its own juice as it cooks. Add some sugar, or if you prefer a healthier option, you can use a sweetener. Cook everything for about 10 minutes. Next, add the plum gelatin to the fruit mixture. I warmed mine in the microwave for about 10 seconds beforehand. I also decided to add some cottage cheese that I had left over. It makes the dessert more nutritious and adds extra protein, but you can skip it if you want. Now blend everything together using an immersion blender or a whisk. As you can see, after blending and adding air, the mixture becomes fluffier and increases slightly in volume. Pour the mixture into any convenient container. I'm using a plastic container. Then cover it and place it in the refrigerator overnight so it can fully set. Don't put it in the freezer. The next day, after gently loosening the edges, I took out this beautiful dessert. It's soft, airy, perfectly sweet, and even more filling thanks to the cottage cheese. Definitely give it a try and let me know what do you think in the comments.
Oh,